Thank you very much, Dr. Ali Muhammad Salah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept that from you and make us among those who listen to the speech and follow the best of it. We will continue with our program, but allow me to cut you short, then we will resume inshallah ta'ala. There will be a short session of one of our brothers converting to Islam, and that is something which will add a taste to our conference. So that will be led by Dr. Ali Muhammad Salah, inshallah ta'ala.
MashaAllah, this is the early fruits of our beautiful conference. Our brother is taking the Shahada today. Can you give away to the sisters over there? Yeah. First, may you please be calm a little bit. The takbir and chanting the takbir, everything will be after we finish. Can you please be calm? Okay? Can you tell us your name first?
I'm Geoffrey Alwich.
Jeffrey, God. Okay. And what is your educational background?
I'm a Christian brother.
Okay. How did you come to know about Islam?
I used to go to school with them.
Okay. But if you keep silent, it's okay. How did you come to know about Islam?
I used to go to school with them. That one is in primary. Also in GCE. We used to study with them in primary, also in GCE. That's why.
Okay, how were you influenced by those Muslims who were friends at schools and other places? How were you influenced? Is it through their action? Is that they talked to you about Islam? Is that they gave you books to read and you went through these books? How was it?
Now, what made me change my mind is because I saw the way they are togetherness. They love each other. They do things together. That's most action.
Say Allah Akbar. You see, loving one another and remaining brothers and sisters is what contributes much to winning the hearts of the other people. Okay, now have you made up your mind that you convert to Islam, inshallah?
That's why I'm here today.
Okay, he is reverting to Islam, inshallah subhanahu. So I say the Shahada and say it after me, inshallah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. I be a witness that there's no deity, that there's no God worthy of worship except Allah. And Muhammad is his messenger. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Look here, as the brother was taking the Shahada, tears were coming down from his ears, running on his cheeks. It actually shows that how he is so happy about it, how he is so happy with it. So let us say another time, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, who saved him from the hellfire and who brought him to Islam. Wallahi alhamd. Brother, congratulations. Today, you're a newborn baby. You have no sins in your record. Everything is new pay. So starting from today, you have to go forward and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give you his strength. Since you are a newborn baby and don't have any mistakes, any sins, make us dua, pray. Say, oh Allah, make this.
Allah make this.
We just say, make us Muslims.
Allah make us Muslims.
Real Muslims.
Real Muslims.
Take us to the paradise.
Take us to the paradise.
Forgive our sins.
Forgive our sins.
Say Ameen. Barakallah fiqh. I think we will have our Sheikh Muhammad Idris to have a comment on this beautiful incident. Then get him the mic. Jazakallah.
MashaAllah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Brother, we welcome you to the religion of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to the religion of all the prophets, from Ibrahim, Noah, Musa, Isa, Jesus, all the prophets' religion was Islam. And we congratulate you that today you came to this religion, and we hope that you will stay straightforward until the end, inshallah ta'ala. All these brothers now and sisters are your brothers and sisters from this beginning, from this moment. So congratulations again, and we hope you good life and you enjoy with your brothers, inshallah. Thank you very much.
Hello. Thanks. I just want to say thank you very much to my brother.
Come forward. Come forward. Come forward.
Come.
May Allah heal you in that, inshallah, first, inshallah. So, the Prophet ﷺ says in the end, يَهْدِيَ بِكَ اللَّهُ رَجُلًا وَاحِدًا خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنْ حُمَرِ النِّعَمِ. A single person be guided by your cause is better for you than 10, or the red camels, whatever it might be. So you're going to get the same reward as he gets without his reward being, decreased by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Jazakumullahu khairan. You did a marvelous job. It was very fabulous, and we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for having you done this. Jazakallah khair. Okay, thank you, please, brother. Okay, it makes us very happy. I'm quite happy.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.